Well, the decriminalization of marijuana in the Bahamas may get a push from Caricom. It's up for discussion during this week's Heads of Government meeting in Jamaica. A report by Caricom Regional Commission on Marijuana was apparently leaked and recommends the decriminalization of the drug. The report also recommends that marijuana be controlled and managed like alcohol, for example. Minister of Health Dr. Dwayne Sands says Cabinet will be guided by Caricom's findings.
Obviously, there's a tremendous amount of anticipation. We will be guided by that report as we said we would. And I think it is not unreasonable for people to expect a formal position from the government of the Bahamas moving forward. The government of the Bahamas, the cabinet of the Bahamas will decide at what point this becomes a topical issue on the agenda, and will deal with it with the level of consideration and attention that it deserves. And so there are absolutely no promises to any timeline on when we might have this as a substantive issue on the agenda.
The report also recommends that legislation be put in place for medical marijuana research.
Medical marijuana is really just usually the door for recreational marijuana. And so while the tactic that has been used in those jurisdictions that have ultimately ushered in more progressive marijuana legislation, the first step was often medical marijuana, but the prize was liberalization, decriminalization, legalization of recreational marijuana use. And in a democracy, understand that the Bahamas will have to chart its own course.